In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on cPanel. I will specifically show you how to install WordPress on NameHero cPanel. If you don't have a web hosting yet, you can click on the very first link in the description down below. That will take you to NameHero, then you go ahead and purchase your web hosting. If you also need a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy a domain name and web hosting on NameHero, I'll leave a video link in the description down below that will take you through how you can get your very own custom domain name and web hosting. If you already have a web hosting with NameHero, then this video is for you.
Hello guys, this is Swadik here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video.
Now let's install WordPress on our web hosting. To install WordPress upon logging into your NameHero dashboard, next thing you want to do is come over to My Cloud, then you go ahead and click on My Services. In here, you see all the web hosting services you've bought with NameHero. All what you need to do is go ahead and choose the particular one you want to install WordPress on. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose Web Hosting Starter Cloud. Right here under Actions, you go ahead and click on Login to cPanel, which will open in a new tab. And now we are inside our NameHero control panel. Scrolling down to Software section, you go ahead and click on SoftwareClose App Installer. With SoftwareClose App Installer, you are just a few clicks away from installing WordPress. Right here, you see WordPress and some other content management systems. If you cannot see WordPress here, you can go ahead and click on Blocks at the sidebar. Then you go ahead and click on WordPress. And it will take you to an interface where you click on Install. Since we can see WordPress right here, you can just go ahead and click on Install. Under Choose Installation URL, you need to make sure that HTTPS is selected, which is very important since NameHero will be giving you free SSL certificate. The next field is Choose a Domain. If you have so many domains right here, you need to drop down the arrow and choose the particular domain you want to install WordPress on. For this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and choose this domain. In directory, you don't want to put anything there, so you remove the WP. It is very important you remove whatever text you see in directory. Otherwise, your website will be installed on a subfolder and you don't want that.
If you are finding value so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out so that the video will be suggested to more people on YouTube and also benefit more people. Alright, let's continue.
Going down to site settings, this is where you enter the name of your website as well as the site description. I usually don't change the site name and site description here. I prefer showing you how you can change them after installing WordPress. So I leave them as they are. Next is admin account, where you go ahead and choose a username, password, as well as email. These are the details you always use to log into your WordPress website in order to edit it. So I'll go ahead and choose my username. For the username, you should always try to choose a custom name, and I will advise you not to use admin or webmaster as your username, because these two usernames can be guessed by hackers. Next, I choose my password, so I'll take this off and I'll go ahead and hide my password for obvious reasons. I've entered my password, which is strong. Next thing you want to do is enter your admin email address. As you can see right here, the system is trying to create this email address for you, which is not existing. For now, I'll just go ahead and enter my Gmail account. You can always change the email address anytime you want. Scrolling down, next is choose language. From here, you can drop down the arrow and choose whatever language you want to use. For me, I'll use English. Going down, I click on install. And WordPress will install in some few seconds. Alright, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now to visit my website, all what I need to do is go ahead and click on my domain name right here, which will open in a new tab. Perfect. Going back to SoftwareClose, you see that apart from the main URL, which we've just clicked to open our website, you also have administrative URL, where you see after your domain name /wp-admin. With this administrative URL, if you click on it, it will take you to the dashboard of your WordPress website, which is the back end. I don't want to click on it. Instead, I'm going to show you how you can log into your WordPress website if you don't have access to the administrative URL. Before I do that, I'll exit out of here and here as well. To log into your WordPress website, all what you need to do is enter the URL of your website, then you bring /wp wp-admin. Hit enter, and this will bring you to the WordPress login page. In here, you go ahead and enter the username as well as the password which you selected during the installation of WordPress. I've entered my username. I'll go ahead and enter in my password. Then I go ahead and click on login. And this will bring me to the dashboard of my WordPress website, which is also the back end of my website. Now if I right click on the name of my website right here and click on open link in a new tab, it will bring me to the front end of my website. This is the interface users will see when they enter the URL of my website. Right now, I'm seeing this bar right here simply because I've logged into my WordPress website. Going back to the dashboard, this is where you can always come in order to customize or edit your WordPress website. So that's it on how to install WordPress on cPanel. Now, if you don't have a website yet, make sure you stick around to watch this video on your screen right now, which will show you step by step as to how you can create your very own website with WordPress.
Alright guys, I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, kindly hit the like button, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also hit the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you will be the first to know.